The Product Hunt Daily Digest today helps people discover the best new products in their inbox every morning. And so the problem that we solve is we make it easier for everybody to tell the world about their product.
I'm Dave Sachs. I head up customer success for Mailjet in the US. We allow users to send marketing and transactional emails all in a single platform using our user interface and our APIs. Product Hunt came to Mailjet because they were looking for an email service provider that was as flexible as they are.
We've grown a lot since the early days. We're sending about 1 million emails a day now. Email has always been at the heart of how we talk to our users. People already like to open their inboxes in the morning and see what they've gotten. So it makes sense for us to give people the news that they want, where they want it. Mailjet's the only email provider that I've actually talked to someone who works there. The first call I had with the Mailjet team, Dave especially, was very educational. To be able to have a 30-minute call about just what you're thinking about and things that you've kicked around internally is incredibly valuable.
It's incredibly important that companies get email right, but there are lots of ways that it can go wrong and lots of ways that we can jump in and help. We really want to empower them and share our knowledge, and we need to give them the playbook, tell them what to do, but we also need to give them the rule book.
We use the Mailjet API to send 3 types of emails. So there's the transactional emails that go out sporadically throughout the day. We have our newsletter that goes out every morning, and then we have ship. People who use our toolkit send emails to their subscribers every day, every hour of the day, and all of that goes through Mailjet.
Email is an integral part of the ship toolbox. The same sending and reporting that Mailjet has been providing for Product Hunt is now available to its users through ship.
The best part about working at Mailjet is I really don't have to think about it, it just works.